what it's like in Ohio during a snowstorm. Just cleaned off my car and it's back to full of snow. Oh my god. Woo! It's so deep. Much better. It was meant for the snow. I don't think there's a good place for me to put my phone down. But we'll see what we can do. Ignore that. My other tires on the trunk. Well, hopefully you guys saw a little bit of that. It's a little bit thick. I have nowhere to put my phone out. Woo! It's really not that bad. Good lord, it's like nothing ever happened to her. This is why you need snow tires. We made it home alive. Thank you, Snoopy. At my work, it was like up to here when I was doing those donuts. After a very long wait, we're back!